Well, this is my biggest and a manual marble machine that I just built. It was pain in the hiney. It's still not perfect, but I'll show you how it works. So you crank this handle here, and the Archimedes screw brings those balls, bowling balls, uh, metal balls, uh, up there, and then it goes all the way around and around. And I think it's pretty obvious of how it goes. And it's not perfect because it accumulates balls over here on the left bottom, right bottom corner. But the other balls that fall down pushes it, and so it's okay. So this is how it works, and I am pretty pleased with the outcome. Even though, as I said, I had to adopt some things. Some things were not correct in the schema. The guy who made this, uh, based on the things that he showed there, it's on a website, like the instructions. Uh, he wasn't. It wasn't there anyway. It was slightly different, so I had to kind of think it through. This connection here between these two parts was too long, so I had to chop it. And um, also, I accidentally glued one of this gear here down here, and then I had to lube everything really good because the plastic is really tight, and there's not much of a loose. How would I say this? Tolerances are too tight, and so. But anyway, after working on this for 2 days, printing and manufacturing it, and putting it together, I mean, it's working. So uh, I am pretty happy with it now, since I got it to work, and it's working. So that's all I care. So anyway, uh, it's a lot of fun. I have quite a few uh, quite a few more, two more actually, one electric and one manual, and I'm gonna show you those as well. So let me pause this part and then I'll be right back. And here are the two other ones. One is manual, which is this one, and one is electric. This one was a disaster. This does not work very well, but I will power it up and uh, I'll show it to you. Why is it not working? Okay. Oh, the two wires here were in short. There we go. So it's a little noisy, and it eventually it makes some of these balls, ball bearing balls, make it up here, but then they don't want to go down, and if they do, they get stuck, and uh, so I'm not very happy with this project. It's working, but it's miserable. It's whoever designed this. Didn't really think it completely through, because if it was done more likely this manual one here, I think it would have been a better choice. And so anyway, as you can see it that it's working, and it will, as I said, eventually one of these will make it up here. Oh, there's one close now. Oops, and they fell right back down. Anyway, so I'm gonna shut it off, and I'm gonna shut off this power supply. Okay, so that's the, we'll get that one out of here. And this one here is all manual. There's no uh, there's no computer, no power supply, no nothing. And the way you make it work is you push this button, and then push it again, and it drops down. And as you can see, the ball goes this way and got stuck somewhere. And oops, one made it up here. Why is it doing that? Oh, this thing here. Okay, there we go. And it works. It's uh, I was surprised that all of it worked basically as designed. The instructions weren't very clear, but I managed. The only thing I had to add is there's these little plastic pieces that I put here because this drops from such a height that it jumped almost every single time, and so one has to, you know, do something, and I didn't want to bring this into a Fusion and redesign it. I just put these two plastic little pieces in here. They're not really that visible since they match the marble, and I'm very happy with it, how it works. It has a few little tricks, but cannot show it to you in the video. They are too tiny. But basically, up here is a governor that flips back and forth, and one time it goes down here, one time it goes all the way here, and then this thing here, when the when it hits the when the ball hits it, it just dumps it down like that, and some stuff comes out of here, and sometimes, of course, it comes over here from this direction. So it's working, and I'm very happy with it, as you can tell. So a three. This is the first time that I uh, I'm going to release one video with three marble machines, not one, not two, but three of them. I'm happy with two of them though. So, well, you have a fantastic day. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and suggest it to your friends to look at it because, as you can see, I make uh, all kinds of other things, including, of course, my favorite marble machines. You have a fantastic day.